Hello and welcome to Community Chats. I'm your host, Aley Hammer, and today we're joined with Vivianne Arnold, the CMO for APAC at Hudson. Vivianne, it is such a pleasure to have you on the show today. Can you start by telling us about Hudson and the Job Accelerator app that you've recently launched in the market?
Well, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to talk about this super cool product. Yeah, so Job Accelerator is all about getting people back to work faster in a job that's really right for them. And this is so important in Australia at the moment with our escalating unemployment rates. It's the app that is right for this moment.
What an incredible app that is launched and such a critical time, as you say, for Australians. So what is it that separates the Job Accelerator app from its competitors? Because there are a few on the market. So what sets you guys apart?
Right, so it used to be called career transition, and some of the old school guys really did it with just one-on-one coaching, which often is very much to just the chosen few. So when a company says goodbye to a stack of employees, they just choose some of them to get this outplacement services. But because we've accelerated the use of technology and we're able to personalize, deep data personalize that job hunter's journey, we stand completely, there's nobody else in the competition like this because we do both. Sometimes you want your coach, but it's 2 o'clock in the morning, you're stressed out of your head because you've got a big job interview the next day. Well, there's no career coach available at 2 a.m. unfortunately, but Job Accelerator is available at 2 a.m. and can give you those already pre-packaged videos to help you, to give you those questions to make sure you ask so you can nail the job interview. So the competition doesn't have anything like our scale and our tech.
Wow, that's incredible. And Vivianne, you were recently inspired to create a web series after watching a matchmaking reality TV show. So can you tell us all about this web series? I know you are so excited about it. You've been working so hard with the whole thing. So please tell us about it. What can we expect? When is it launching?
Thank you. Right. Well, it launches at the end of October, and you're right. I was watching this matchmaker web series on Netflix. You know how you Netflix and you're just like, oh yeah, sure, I'll go for it. And it was a reality TV show about how this Indian matchmaker really personalized how she could bring people together. And that's kind of what a job coach does. It looks at you and says, yeah, you might have thought you wanted tall, dark, and handsome and gone to Stanford, but actually in reality, the job you want might not have been the one you had in your mind. And it might be the guy who's shorter than you, fatter than you, and has back hair, but it turns out you're madly crazy in love with him. And that's what a job coach can do. They can look at your skills, your soft skills, your hard skills, and open you up to opportunities you might never have thought about before. So yeah, the web series launches at the end of October, and we're giving away 1,000 people free access to the Job Accelerator portal so we can help even more Australians get back to work faster.
Oh my gosh, the web series sounds so cool, and I just can't wait to watch it. And I love that it was born out of this series that you watched on Netflix. So Vivianne, many Australians, on a more serious note, are seeking jobs right now. It's a really tough time. Where can they find the Job Accelerator app, and when can we expect the video series to go live? I think you said end of October, was that correct?
Yeah, that's right. So, jobaccelerator.com.au, and that's where we want you to go. You can also go to the Hudson site. We'll redirect you from Hudson. But to be honest, the series is all about this a woman who's over 50 who's been hit hard by COVID, and I think everybody's going to be able to relate to it. You might have a mum, a brother, a relative, a kid who's in that situation where they've just been so hit by the whammy of the bushfires and then COVID and everything, and you want a little bit of upbeat, you want a bit of inspiration, and also I think you can kind of relate to this poor woman's struggle as she goes job hunting, because it's not easy out there, but at the end of the day, we're here to help. And I think that the web series will inspire people, but Job Accelerator as a platform is all about helping you get back to work faster. So yeah, thank you so much for the opportunity.
Vivianne, I'm so excited and I love your passion. I'm going to go onto the website and check it out, and I've definitely got a lot of friends and family who benefit from it. So thank you so much for being on the show today, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Thank you so much. Bye.